hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. In her head turned a feeling passionate lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I trust. The girl was bad, the girl was dangerous. With the eye of desire, I felt trapped under the waves. A touch, a kiss, a whisper of love. I was born on number 2, deep in the dark to the passions of sanity. I felt taken by the strength of humanity. She was persuasive. This girl I could not trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous.
You know you want me. Get the point? Good. Let's dance.